Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page, and make sure you do click that bell notifications to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And remember to follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, and I'll put it right here for you guys. It's also linked down below if you want to follow me. And yes, and before you leave, make sure you do like the video. So let's go ahead and get started on today's video. So as you guys know, Jeffree Star did it again, and he came with the Jeffree Star mystery boxes again. So this is how it goes down. I was traveling the day of the mystery boxes launched, which was July 19th. July 20, I don't know which day it was, but it was a Friday. I was traveling, and of course the 1 Pacific time, or 10 a.m. Pacific time, which is my time, will be like 1 p.m. I was traveling, and I was like, fuck man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to buy it, you know? I don't know if I'm gonna make it on time. I was going international traveling. I was not gonna use my phone because it's like extra charges and stuff like that. I'm like, oh my god, let's see what's gonna happen. So I get to the hotel, and then oh snap, and I just went into the website, and I was able to get 2 mystery boxes, but only the small one. I was like, I wanted to buy just one, and just the $75 one, which is the medium one, I think. But yeah, I just bought the mystery small box, which was, I think, I don't remember the price, and I don't know if it's here either. But yeah, I just bought that one. I see the price. It's 40 each. Yeah, so it's 40. Just kidding. No, it's $20 each. So it was 40. The mini mystery box. So it was $20 each, and it was 40. Yeah, I ordered the 19. It was July 19, and they kind of took a while to ship it. So I received it on Saturday, July 27. So it took them a while to ship it, and a lot of people already received it. And I was like, come on, get your shit together. I know it's a lot of orders, so it's okay. But let's go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is just gonna be an opening box, comparing if I did get the same box, you know, because some people order the mystery boxes thinking it's gonna be different, and when you come and look at it, it's the same products, which is like, really, you should like if you know it's going to the same address, you should check to make sure that it's not the same products, you know what I mean? Do you agree with me or no? So let's see what's the tea, and let's see if we do get the same products or we get repeated items on these 2 boxes. So I was surprised, because usually when people order the mystery boxes, they'll get them separately, just like, oh here the small box, oh here. This time they came with it, and they had a big pink box. Look, I don't know if you can see it completely. And you open it, and it has the little, you know, the Jeffree, well, this is just like pink. It's not even the Jeffree Star one, but it's just like the wrapping thing for the gifts. And then you have the 2 mini boxes. Let's see if we're gonna get the same products, guys, because I'm scared. Like, if I get like the same products, then of course I'm gonna do a giveaway or something, or for my 5K giveaway. So don't leave without subscribing, because I'm doing a 5K giveaway, a big one with 3 winners. So, and it's gonna be international. So if I do get repeated items, I'll probably do it put it in a giveaway. I don't know which one, but we'll see. Just subscribe, and then there will be a giveaway. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the boxes. I don't know, but let's pray for non-repeated items, you know. But yeah, let's see. So I have done this before. I did the Valentine one, and that one I love that one, because it was like pink and like red colors, and I was going for that one. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it here for you guys so you guys can watch that one. That was really fun. Yeah, I totally like the Valentine one. So let's see how the summer one goes. I kind of like opened it already, so let's see. I opened it, but I don't know if I opened the whole thing, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna break things in here. Alrighty. Let's see. So it's just 3 items. It's not 5 like before, as I see here. It's just 3 items, but it's okay because it's 20 bucks, you know. And each lipstick is like 18, I think. So I opened it. I don't know. I didn't open the right way, so I just opened it like that. And first thing I see is the Pop Socket color orange. I have the red one, and I still haven't used it because my phone case comes with the thing on the back, so I don't even use it. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway or something. But here's a phone socket, and it's orange. And then it came with 2 lipsticks. Here they are. I don't think I had these, which is good. I don't think I have these. And yeah, let's see. There's 2 lipsticks and the Pop Socket for $20. Not bad. I think I paid more for the Valentine one, but it came with 5 products, so it's not really that bad. Let's see. Let's open these babies. So the first color here, it's a velour liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Diamond. Which I'm thinking, ooh, pretty. Okay. It's like a lilac purple. It's not bad. I'm gonna put it here. But it's not purple. It's like kind of like blue. So I know people were saying these are like expired makeup. I hope not, you know. And I'm looking at it to see, you know. Hopefully that's not expired makeup, but this is how it looks. It's a pretty color. It's kind of like a blue, like a really light blue, purple vibes, but it's pretty, not bad. That is Diamond. The next one we got is a velour lipstick, liquid lipstick, same thing, and this is called Self Control. It's funny because it's both of them on purple. It's not nice. Like, give me another color. And the packaging is totally different. I don't know. I think they're like old products though. Like, I've never seen these colors. Maybe they came out with them for like. And this one is more like purple. The other one is blue, so you're gonna see the difference. That's a big difference on that. I will try it, but no, I have lipstick. So that is the first box. I'm not ready to open the second box, but if I get the same thing, I'm gonna be mad. Because if you know, like, it goes to the same house, you should just be like cautious about checking that they don't receive the same products, you know. Okay, actually, I didn't open this right. I like brought the scissor and I opened right here when it comes like around, so I'm breaking the box again. I'm breaking the box. Let's hope for Alrighty guys, so there's nothing to show here because it's the same products. Literally, it's the same products. Literally, same products. Same lipsticks. Like, come on, you should check, like, are they all the same boxes? If not, then try to give away other colors, like have them labeled or something, you know, because I spend money on this. Like, I don't want to receive the same product, but of course it's just a risk I take just to bring videos, and this is the case. This is the case. It's the same colors, same thing for the box. So you know what, I'm gonna put it away. I'm not even gonna swatch it because of course I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna put this on there. So yeah, I'm doing a giveaway now, so make sure you do check that video. No, rewind that. I am doing a giveaway, but my giveaway is listed on Instagram, makeup artist 27, and the goal is to reach 1.5 subscribers on YouTube, and then I'll announce the giveaway. Only for United States residents and Puerto Rico, so make sure you subscribe, participate. It's 2 winners, and of course if you go to the makeup artist 27 page, you will be able to see the 2 winner products that I'm giving away. So yeah, there will be a giveaway coming soon too. Maybe I'll do the 2K giveaway, I don't know. Whatever I feel, I'll do another giveaway. But yeah, I'm sad because I received the same products. What a waste. Not a waste, but you know, I prefer to receive different products, you know. This should be something that they should have as a consideration. Like, if I am spending money on 2 boxes, make sure you do different products, you know. That way I don't have to like be sad. But yeah, the colors are beautiful. Not gonna lie, I like the purple. It's kind of like a mauve color. Like, I really like that one. This one is like a blue, but it's not bad either. So yeah, not bad for $20, you know, because one lipstick is $18. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And before you leave, make sure you do click that red button that says subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in my next video.